Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And if you're returning, thanks so much, because you'd be amazed how much that makes my day. Anyhow, I did want to ask, you may think you're subscribed and you may not be, because YouTube periodically goes through and it cancels people's things. So it would mean a lot to me if you went back through, just double check, make sure you're subscribed. Now, Allure is $29 a month, and that includes shipping, I believe. And you get 3 full-size items, and at least you get 6 items total, but you're guaranteed 3 full-size ones. Sometimes you get more. And I'll be honest with you, since FabFitFun came out, they've been killing. So, and I haven't gotten the FabFit Beauty box since the first month, because I haven't seen anything I was excited about. Anyhow, once you get the tissue paper off, it looks like that. And I'm trying to get this done because I got to go pick up Okadoke tomorrow. Oh, I see the Reader's Choice box is. See, you can also get other boxes on their screen, and no, I don't have any fingernails on or anything. But you can get other boxes on from their store, and they do the Reader's Choice, and I believe it's twice a year, but they do the great big one at Christmas. And I have never had the money at Christmas to get it. And you always get this book, and it tells you your values and how to use it and all of that. Now, here lately, you're not guaranteed to have a choice item. But for probably the last 6 months, we've always had a choice item. And mine was After Shower Nourishing Body Oil. And I have never used this, but I am going to. I do like to give you guys some kind of impression. Ooh, and it's oil. Now, I used to use suntan oil in the summer because I would get so dry. I would use it. Ooh, that smells good. I don't know what it's supposed to smell like, but it smells really good. See if it says. See if it says in here. Sometimes they do say what it's supposed to smell like. Okay. And you had a choice of the After Shower Body Oil, which is what I got. Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, KP Bump Eraser, Body Scrub. And that was supposed to be in Fresh Strawberry, or Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Okay, the body oil was valued at $36, and you get 6 fluid ounces. It smells really good, but I can't place it. It smells familiar, but I can't place it. Just can't place it. But where I don't have any large intestine, I tend to dehydrate rapidly. And I used to use suntan oil because nothing else would really get it. And of course, in the wintertime, you couldn't find it. So I'll be glad to try that. Let's see what the next thing is. Because I found it's easier if I just go through the book and do them that way. Okay. This is Luna Nectar Futurize Botanical Retinol Alternative Boosting Serum. And I have a lot of people that I share with, so it's not that big a deal if I open them, because when they will be used. I'm going to show you that box. I thought I did, but who knows. Maybe I can get it out. Maybe. Yeah, old Oak, she's been saying, I want to come to your house. Okay, I'll come get you, baby. I'm going to try opening the other and see if I can't push it through. Yeah. Sometimes this is just, I just ripped it. Jeez, ow. Yeah, that fits in there. It's just tight. I'm just trying to get it out of the box. This is crazy. I know we're always complaining. I can't even rip it. There, I finally got it. Look how far I had to rip that box just to get it out. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. I'll put it up here. Just see how runny it is. Give you some idea of its consistency. Let's read about it since I just threw it over here. Okay. That's $49 value for 30 ml. And it says, not every face can tolerate the power of retinol, but most can appreciate its more sensitive, skin-friendly alternatives, like Botanical. I don't know. The plant-based ingredient is packed into the serum to help target the fine lines, smooth texture, just like a vitamin A derivative. Okay. And that has no smell at all. That, you know, I was kind of curious about that. Okay, then, which those were so far both been full size. Then we have this one. This is Aceology Here We Glow Berry Mask. And this did have a seal, but I took it off because I was trying to make things easier, but you saw how that worked with the other thing. This is, isn't this just a, this berry yogurt lookalike may not be edible, but it is, but it certainly offers impressive antioxidant perks, just like the juicy fruits, made with kaolin to deep clean and 5 different berries to fight free radical damage, wrinkles and dark spots. The face mask gives tired skin a boost, leaving it in a soft radiance. It says how you'll use it. Slather onto freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from the forehead to the chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and welcome your new glow after about 20 or 30 minutes. And this is $69. Wow. Skincare is expensive. Real expensive. Okay, let's see what's next. It's this one. Okay, this is Hair and Body Mist, Bloom in Paris, Nectar Parfum, okay, and you can get 20% off. I'll read it in a minute. Let's just do what we got to do first. Okay, and it's one of these, and this is what it looks like. Put it up. Smells familiar. It smells familiar. And I'm thinking it's something I've smelled at the hospital. Or someone I've met smelled at the hospital. You never know. Okay. If you've ever been to Paris, you've likely strolled through the lush Jardin du Luxembourg. If you haven't, a spritz or two of this flowery fragrance fragrance will instantly transport you to the iconic garden, sprawling flowers and fruit trees. Okay. Wherever you're heading, toss a tiny little bottle into your bag to spritz on the go. And it's $57 for a full size. And that's 50 mil, and so we got 10 mil, so a fifth of that. But I'll do all the math and all the links, because I find sometimes people just want one item. They don't want to do the whole box. So I also link the products, and so you can just get that product if you want it. Or I also got down below where you can subscribe to my channel, and where you can subscribe using my code that gives me a little bit of kickback. It costs you nothing. Okay, then almost last. Yeah, almost last. Is we got David's Hydroxi Whitening Enamel Health Toothpaste. Anti-plaque, fresh breath, remineralization, sulfate-free, fluoride-free. And it comes in natural peppermint. I got one of these, good for you toothpaste from in my Balance Company box. See this? Now this is not, I don't believe this is full size. Nope. It's $10.95 for 4 ounces, and we got 1.75 ounces, so a little less than half full size. And of course I just opened that, but it doesn't taste bad. It tastes pretty good, actually. Yeah. I'm just finishing up that other one, so I just might want to put this one in there, huh? And then okay. And did something fall out of here while I believe so. Okay, I'm just going to go on and do this one, and then I'll see if I can find it. But this is Paul Mitchell Clear Jelly Mask, and it is for your hair. This reminds me of that Dippity-Doo back in the day. Can't smell anything, so it really has no scent. But see, that's what it looks like. It's just clear gel. And I'm assuming you put it. So let's see what we have here. I'm kind of wondering if I didn't lose something. I'm pretty sure I am losing something. I lost something. But anyhow, this is $30 for 8 ounces, and we got 2 ounces. And I'll do the math on that. And it says dry hair. There's a mask for that. Fighting dullness, there's the same mask for that. And it's this one. With a fragrance-free formula, this translucent jelly-like treatment adds hydration and gleam to the hair without a fuss. It says after shampooing, rake in the gelatinous gloop with your fingers and leave it on for 5 minutes depending on your hair's needs. 5 to 10 minutes depending on your hair's needs. And rinse. Follow up with your go-to conditioner. Now I don't think I did get this one. I think this was an either or situation. But see, it has this, and it's Paul Mitchell cleansing foam. Yeah, it's either or, so I'm not missing anything. But the sculpting foam is foam, froth, mousse. No matter what you call it, this airy styler. All you need, one pump to reap the texture, defining bodybuilding benefits that are indulgent, creamy coconut scent. How you'll use it: you'll shake, shimmy, and squirt the can upside down to dispense. Then apply evenly to damp hair, styling and amping up volume as desired. Retail price is $31 for 16.9 ounces, and we received 2 fluid ounces. So that would be that. That would be all of this one. And I also I'm thinking about next month just doing my, I keep wanting to call it Glossy Box, and no, that's not it. Oh, my Ipsy Extra. My Ipsy Extra and the Allure at the same time. And compare and see what you think is the better deal. I think maybe if I do them together, it might be of more value. So comment below, let me know what you think, and come on back, like and subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Old people need love too.